Hey everyone, and welcome. If you've ever looked at a robot and thought, wow, how does that work? Or even, I wish I could build that, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the amazing world of robotics. But let's be real for a second. It's a huge field, right? You hear about electronics, programming, AI, mechanics, and it's easy to feel kind of overwhelmed before you even start. But hey, don't worry, that's totally normal. So think of this as your personal roadmap. We're going to clear away all that confusion and lay out a clear step-by-step plan that'll take you from being just curious to actually building your own cool creations. Okay, so why bother learning robotics right now? Well, because this isn't just a fun hobby, and it is fun. It's about getting a core skill that helps you understand and even shape the world of tomorrow. I mean, think about it. It's like a workout for your brain, seriously boosting how you solve problems. It also swings open these incredible career doors. You could be designing robots for factories or even for surgeons. Plus, you get that awesome, valuable hands-on experience. And honestly, it's the perfect gateway to understanding the even bigger worlds of AI and automation. Right. Before we can build anything, we have to know what we're trying to build. So, what really makes a robot a robot? Let's break it down. At its heart, robotics is just about making machines that can do things by themselves, or maybe with a little bit of help from us. It's this awesome mashup of mechanics, electronics, and computer science all rolled into one incredible field. And you know what's really cool is that no matter how complicated a robot seems, it really just boils down to three parts. Just think of it like a person. You've got sensors, things like cameras or distance sensors, which are basically the robot's eyes and ears. Then you have actuators, the motors, which are the muscles that let it move. And finally, you have the control system, the brain, which takes in all that sensor info and tells the muscles what to do. Senses, muscles, and a brain. That's it. Okay, let's get into the really good stuff. This is the heart of it all. Here is your actionable 5-step plan to get you from beginner to builder. Ready? First up, you've got to get comfortable with the basics of electronics. Then it's time to learn a programming language. Python is an amazing place to start. And from there, the real fun begins, building actual projects. This is where it all clicks. After that, you can level up with simulation using something called ROS, the Robot Operating System. Think of it like a universal translator that lets all the robot parts talk to each other. It's a game changer. And finally, and this is a big one, don't do it alone. Join online communities, share what you're making, and learn from others. Every adventurer needs the right toolkit, right? So let's talk about the essential gear, the best resources, and some warnings to make sure your journey is a success. So probably the first big decision you'll make is choosing your robot's brain. An Arduino is perfect when you're starting out. It's amazing for simple things like spinning a motor or reading a sensor. A Raspberry Pi, on the other hand, is a whole tiny computer. You'll want that power when you're ready for more complex stuff like using a camera or running AI. And to get going, you can kind of choose your own adventure. If you're a book person, a classic text like Craig's will give you that deep theoretical knowledge. If you prefer guided lessons, an online course on a platform like Coursera can walk you through it. Or if you just want to get your hands dirty right away, grab a starter kit. It's the fastest way to start building. Now you've got your tools, you've got your resources. Let's talk about what not to do. Knowing these common pitfalls ahead of time is going to save you so much time and frustration. Okay, first, it is so tempting to jump right to the super cool advanced stuff, but please don't skip the basics. Also, resist the urge to buy that really expensive gear right away. Start small and build up. Use simulation. It's free, and you can't break virtual hardware, which is awesome. And finally, document everything you do. Trust me on this one, your future self will thank you when you're trying to figure out why you wrote a piece of code a certain way. So, after all this, where does this journey lead? Well, learning these skills isn't just about fun weekend projects. It's about getting to be a part of a field that is literally building our future right now. I mean, just look at this. We've gone from automation in factories today to delivery drones in the near future, to robot assistants in our hospitals, and even advanced robots in our farm fields. Robotics is absolutely everywhere, and its impact is just going to keep growing. By starting this journey today, you're putting yourself in a position to actually contribute to this stuff. How cool is that? This quote just hits the nail on the head. It really captures the whole spirit of robotics. It's not about being a genius on day one. It's about being curious enough to ask, what if? creative enough to figure out a solution, and maybe most importantly, persistent enough to keep going when things don't work on the first or 10th try. So there it is. Your map is complete. The path is laid out for you, the tools are ready to go, and the future is just waiting to be built. The only question left is, what amazing thing are you going to build first?